Maybe the way Chika take dey give am, Regina no go fit give am. Others no go fit give am because Chika don't get experience now. They say experience is the best teacher. So he don't see the way he don't turn he papa yo brains. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, this is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, or if they watch me, you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So my lovely people, today's story we see there on Chika Ike and Regina. You know, last time when we talk about her, many people say a fake rumor now this. Really, Regina husband married Chika Ike. He married her secretly. You know, this one like to do secret marriage. And now, Chika Ike don't they enjoy Ned Nwoko private jets, while Regina not they happy, and her mom they're not really they happy because Ned Nwoko really disappointed. Because when he come for Regina, it make them understand, say, now Regina will be the last bus stop, and they can't look and say the papa your age don't they go far, that he not go even like to go for another woman. And he can't be say he can't marry Chika. Chika and I break the record. Why? Because I think this papa Yoyo, he really love Chika. I can say he love Chika because this man are the kind of man when he be say, he not the like person when be say not being fetch up the apple. He can't just be say even Chika when be baby mama, not be say she be there, she still be baby mama. He can't marry her. You see, I'm saying I break the record, and now Chika he really love from his heart. I think so. As far as say if he marry Chika, which means now Chika be the love of his life. What do you think? How you say? I lie. If you say I lie, put on for there, no problem. If you say I say the right thing, because you know say me, their mind it did different. Person when you just say they like small pikin when you find where you no go like her. No, maybe the way Chika take they give her, Regina not go fit give her. Others not go fit give her because Chika don't get experience now. They say experience is the best teacher. So he don't see the way he don't turn he papa your brain. So he really fall for Chika. And now Chika can't be the army born with the house now. Chika they enjoy this man wet. You see the things when they said the private jet. You see how she looks so good. You see how she they flaunt around. Though now Chika if I know before you know Regina, but now Regina if I marry. Then so Chika community people they give her chieftaincy title. She be chief now. Why? Because they say it make their village they popular, and it still help them too. For there, Chika still try for a village people, you know, can really make their village town they popular, and it really help them. Say through her, many people can't know more things about their village. For that reason, they can't give her chieftaincy title. And when I not say to collect chieftaincy title, not be small in her money. Who they spend the money? Ned Nwoko. So all this one I make Regina the verse because Ned break their vow. He tell her say that she go be the amebo of the house. But why Ned can't do Regina like this? Well, that one day between them, I know if you talk that one. So Chika now, you see me anybody not cross the way, say because he come for real. You understand? They expect say Ned don't do so many things for Chika. Chika still like to enter inside the mansion. He don't start with the private jets now. Now see the way they woo everywhere. Regina now don't shock him. But Regina go see the marriage. She go nowhere because now her marriage now be that. But Regina mama no happy. He say because that word when be say that they talk, they go say go down spiritual for Chika. Regina mama say he not talk the word. There's no time. He talk. Chika, we welcome you to the new family of Nwoko. You are really welcome. So now you can improve the jets now. Well, no problem. Join the wives and cooperate with them, because you can see Regina and the Moroccan wife. They cooperate somehow. They always take pictures and put for Instagram. I know say Moroccan wife now from Morocco. That's why the unity they there. As it don't be Nigeria. May not copy like say that house go be Iran and Iraq. If Ned Nwoko go just carry you put for another place, e go dey better. If not, we the social media people, we go talk, we go talk tire. This is just the beginning. So my people wey dey talk say, hey, mona leave the Regina alone, mona no dey talk their matter, mona no dey talk like that, because this life something dey happen for person to get sense. With this Regina story so far, I believe many of our young teenager ladies, they go don learn for inside. Before you dive into any rich papa, you go ready to tie your wrapper well, because this Regina home, e really teach person sense, you know. Because men, they will tell you say na so, once you don marry, you don born, no be as they tell you, no be so e dey be again. So I believe say mo not to blame Regina for anything, because anything wey happen na lesson for others to learn. So with this one, our teenagers, they don pick lesson from it. So who still can see a person like Ned Nwoko, he can't decide say he go see shook his head, but it not be problem. Now they are carrying away hungry, now you buy chop. All this one where people they talk say Chika not marry Ned, and Chika say she can never be seventh wife, and they not get anything. They say na lie, this and this, that and that. More now remember the time where he come at that time say, hey, Ned marry Regina, or Regina too small for her. Not be so people call the talk say na lie oh, na he papa oh, na he this oh, he not marry her oh, na lie oh. Now so people they attack people, they talk, but at the end he not marry her. He marry her, he do secret marriage. You know this Ned, he like to they do secret marriage very well. So anything I see for social media, I'm gonna take her. If una no want to take her, no problem. But in every rumor, there is always an element of truth. So take her like that. Chika don't enter the house. Now the private jet in the groove. Now very soon, now we can't know what they happen for inside that family circle. We always there here to shook our mouth put now. And now there here to leave on a comment. I'd like to stop this video for here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment or opinion on how Chika Ikete finally enter into Ned Nwoko mansion, what do you think about it? The story just starts now with the year now. So thank you so much, my lovely people. Please, if you watch this video, just click on that like button. As you click on that like button, up ever for you, backward never for you. And also please share this video. We are not just here to say a story, we are here to say a story that will change life, that will save life. If you share our video, you are saving life. That's why we always pray for people that share our video, that Almighty God will send someone to support them in anything they do in their life. Thank you so much for joining, and I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see